Recently I've got this package from a company named Basecraft, a company that is well known for its high quality dioramas in different scales. The company is located in Indonesia, but don't worry, they will ship worldwide. You can find all the information about Basecraft in the description of this video. You can see that the model is well protected with a lot of cardboard. So here the first look on the diorama. This is the bottom of the diorama, 1/72 scale, and it's 3D printed. Be careful. So here is the front of the diorama. It's already looking good. But to make it even better, I ordered some accessories and figures. Yep, there is a lot more inside. So here are all the figures and accessories. And I also got some of my own. And I have a beautiful model for on the deck from the brand Century Wings. Let's have a closer look at the model from Century Wings. F14 Tomcat Jolly Rogers, my favorite. So this is the company where I bought it. He has a store on eBay. It comes with a display stand. I don't need that one with that beautiful aircraft carrier deck. The cool thing is, it also comes with a keychain. Here a card with a number on it. And I believe this F14 Tomcat is also a limited edition. Not easy to find on the World Wide Web. So I put everything on the table. And you can take these off. Because you got two others. I think these are for flight and these are for takeoff. The only downside of these things is that they fall off pretty easy. So it's best to use some glue, but you can't take them off afterwards. Now let's put some rockets and bombs on this beautiful model. Unfortunately, there is no instruction manual to show you where to put the rockets and bombs. So I've looked it up on the internet, on the website of Century Wings. Yeah, it was not always easy to put those things on its place. Okay, let's put these rockets here. Then we have these ones. No, I believe this one is for the other side. Yep. Going to use these two for the front. Then it's time for the landing gear. Got rolling wheels, and it also has a magnet. Yep, a very easy fix. And I like that they're working with the magnets. Yeah, also rolling wheels in the front. There we go. Yeah, that looks very nice. Yeah, these will fall off pretty easy, so I'm going to use some glue. Okay, we have some bombs and rockets left, so there are different possibilities. Let's have a look in the cockpit. Looks very detailed, even got the names on the side. And these are the pilots. I'm not going to put them inside because I have different figures. Okay, let's start with the fun part. Let's bring this diorama to life. Yep, you can decide to put it up or down. And I'm going to put it up. And that is what we need. Let's see, I have to put those. No, I think I have to turn them around. Yep, like this, exactly. Yeah, perfect. That looks very cool. Okay, now we start with the accessories. Very well done, and I believe it is made out of wood. It also feels very heavy, but it can also be that it's also 3D printed. Pretty good quality, but still you have to be careful. You could easily break something. And yes, it comes with a figure, which makes it a lot more realistic. Bomb crew, 3 figures and 2 bombs. Flight deck crew, got a lot of those. Not going to use all of them. Very well painted. And here I've got the rest. Like I was saying, I'm not going to use all of them. Also got a couple of myself from my collection. And I've got this one right here. Now it's time to put the F14 on the flight deck. Yeah, it's already looking very cool. This one I will put right here. We got this dude for on top. The pilots. And here we got the results. Fantastic details. Got two special forces here on the side. Female pilots. The bomb crew. Flight deck crew chilling on the side, enjoying the view. More flight deck crew preparing. Even a special force team training on the deck. Love these vehicles. They even look a little bit weathered. I like that. Yeah, the Century Wings model is perfect for this diorama. More special forces training and flight deck crew chilling. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day. Bye.